Hey guys, so I am traveling and I wasn't able to get the weekly challenge up yesterday because all of that stuff is on my computer back home. But guess what? There happens to be a piano where I'm at. So what I want to do is I just want to show you something quick that you could practice for the week that would be good for you. So triads are really important. A lot of times what I find is that students don't necessarily know how to move in between triads really effectively. So why don't you just try doing like a 1-4-5 triad, and I'm just going to do this just in the right hand because I'm holding the camera with the left hand, but take a look at what this looks like. So I'm going to play a basic C triad. Let me move the camera up here so you can see it. So C triad, this is in second inversion, and go to an F chord in first inversion, and go to a G chord in root position, and then back to a C chord in second inversion. So you see how I can break this out? So you see how I'm moving in between all of these chords? So I can go from a C chord, like let me do root position, then go to F in first inversion, G in first inversion. And you see, I don't have to always do that top note and then come back up. I could do, like, see what on G I went. So basically what you're doing is you're doing 4 eighth notes. So it's 1 and 2 and, now let me go to, I'll go to the G chord. 1 and 2 and, let me go back to C. 1 and 2 and, let me go to F. 1 and 2 and, back to C. 1 and 2 and, G. 1 and 2 and end on C. Okay. So an exercise like that is really good because you really want to get comfortable being able to do this kind of stuff. Let me show you this. So. When you could do that, then you could really sit down and make up songs, you know, as much as you want. It's really just moving in between different chords. So if I just like pick some random chords here, so let me show you. Let me do C to A minor, F minor, G to E flat, F, A minor, E minor, back to E flat, F minor this time, D, G, and that's just moving in between different triads. So try working on that, and I'll see you guys next week with the full-blown virtual keyboard weekly challenge. All right, thanks guys.